Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR SSL protocol error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what we have to do to fix this error. First of all, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections tab, select LAN settings. You need to make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. Click on OK. Now go to the content tab and click on clear SSL state and check if it works after that. And try to access the website and check if it works. If it still doesn't, then go to the advanced tab and scroll down to the security section. There is an option called TLS 1.0 and TLS 1.1. Check these, click on apply and okay, because these are obsolete standards, but still there are some websites and some other applications that use them. So if you allow them, then it will start working. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.